Good morning, children. Did you complete yesterday's work? Okay. Let's continue with exercise 2 problems. So question number 3. If 5 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2x is equal to 5 to the power 10, then find x. This is the question given. So let's copy the question once again. 5 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2x is equal to 5 to the power 10. So here you know that the base is same. So a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So this formula we are going to use here. So this is 5 to the power 6 plus 2x is equal to 5 to the power 10. So here the bases are equal. So the powers or the exponents also will be equal. 6 plus 2x is equal to 10. 6 plus 2x is equal to 10. So here let us use the transpose method. 6 is transposed to the other side, plus becomes minus. So it is 10 minus 6. So 2x is equal to 10 minus 4 is 10 minus 6 is 4. Now x is equal to 4. Multiplication, when it is transposed to the other side, it becomes division. So this is 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. So x is equal to 2 is the value you got. The value of x they asked you to find out. You got it as 2. X is equal to 2. The next question is evaluate 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0. So let's copy the question. So here you know that anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. This we are going to use to find out the value. 2 to the power 0 is 1. 3 to the power 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So you got the answer as 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0 is equal to 2. Understood? Copy in your class workbooks, children. The fifth question is simplify, and they have given you the question. First let us copy the question. X to the power a, x to the power b whole to the power a into x to the power b by x to the power a whole power a into x to the power a by x to the power a whole power b. This is the question given. So here you can see that this is sum power a is equal to xy to the power a. This is the formula that you know already. Okay. X to the power a into y to the power a is equal to xy to the power a. So using the formula, we get that x to the power a by x to the power b into x to the power b by x to the power a whole power a into x to the power a by x to the power a whole power b. So let's see how we can simplify this. X to the power a and x to the power a. One time x to the power b, x to the power b gets cancelled. This is 1 to the power a into x to the power a, x to the power a both gets cancelled. It is 1 to the power b. 1 to the power b. See, if a is say 1, if a is 1, 1 to the power 1 is 1. 1 square is 1 into 1. This is also 1. 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1, which is 1. 1 to the power 4 or 1 to the power 5. How many ever times? 1 to the power of any number of times if you take, the answer is 1 only. So this is equal to 1 to the power a is 1. 1 to the power b is 1. So this is equal to 1 ones are 1. Understood this? So now let us copy. We have simplified this x to the power a by x to the power b whole power a into x to the power b by x to the power a whole power a into x to the power a by x to the power a whole power b. What is the final answer you got? This is equal to 1. Understood this? Okay. This is only for your explanation. No need of writing this in your class workbook. Okay. Copy this in your class works, children. Let us do the sixth problem. State true or false and justify your answer. So 100 into 10 to the power 11 is equal to 10 to the power 13. This is the question given. Is it true or false? It is true. How can you justify? 10, 100 you can write it as 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 11. So this is equal to 10 to the power 2 plus 11. 2 plus 11 is 13. So you know that when you have taken the LHS, you got RHS. Which formula did we use? A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. This is the formula that we have used here. Now let us look at this part. 3 square is 9 into 4 cube. 4 fours are 16. 16 fours are 64. So this is equal to, let's multiply both of them and see. 64 into 9. 9 fours are 36. 9 6 are 54. 55, 56, 57. So here 576 is the answer that you have got. Now 12 square is 144. This you know. 12 square is 144. This you know. So when 3 digits into 3 digit is multiplied, you will get more than 3 digits value. Yes or no? You will get more than 3 digits value, but here you got only 3 digits, so this cannot be equal. So this is false. Understood? Okay. Now let us look at this. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So this 5 to the power 0 is 1 and 1 lakh to the power 0 is 1. So 1 is equal to 1. So this is true. Now let us look at the next one. 4 cube is equal to 8 square. 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4. This is equal to 8 into 8. This implies 4 fours are 16. 16 fours are 64. 16 fours are 64. This is equal to 8 eights are 64. Both of them are equal. So this is true. Next one. 2 cube is greater than 3 square. 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times we need to take, and 3 square is 3 into 3. So this implies 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 is greater than 3 threes are 9. Is it correct? Is it true? 8 is greater than 9. Is it correct? No. So this is false. Now let us look at sixth bit. So here you can see that base value, negative base value to the power of even times, then it is positive. So I am taking positive. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times should I write? 4 times. Because the power is 4. Here also minus base value to the power even number is there. So you are going to get this value positive. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 4 fours are 16. This is greater than 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 9 nines are 81. Is this correct? 16 is greater than 81? No. So this is false. Understood? Now let us do the last bit of this exercise. Minus 2 to the power 5 is greater than minus 3 to the power 5. Let us write this as it is because it is having odd number of values. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. This is greater than minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. This is greater than 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 81, 9 9s are 81, 81 into 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So this is minus 32 is greater than minus 243. Is it true? Yes, it is correct. So write here true. Understood these problems? Copy in your class workbooks, children. Okay, so now we have come to the last part of this chapter, which is learning about the standard form. We can write the large numbers in the standard form. Standard form has two parts. One part is decimal number, and the second part is exponent of 10. Exponent of 10. For example, if you have a number like this, zeros are there. This you can write it as 363 into 10 to the power. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So 10 to the power 3. But here decimal is going to be between 1 and 10. Decimal should be between 1 and 10. So here I have to see that here it is 3.63. 3.63, but how will I get point here? If I multiply the numbers here 2 digits, after 2 digits the point is coming. So this is 10 to the power 3 into after 2 digits, so multiply with 2 zeros, that is 10 to the power 0. So this is nothing but a to the power m into a to the power n. So this is equal to 3.63 into 10 to the power 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is nothing but 5. So 3.63 into 10 to the power 5. This is the standard form. Standard form you can call it also as the scientific notation. Scientific notation, if you want to write anything, you are going to use this. So remember here, whenever you are converting a number into a decimal, what you are going to do is you have to, how many digits are there after the point, those many zeros you have to multiply. Then you are going to get the standard form of the given number. Understood this? Okay. Now let's begin with exercise 3 problems. See here, exercise 3, first question. Express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. In standard form. So the first bit in this is the distance between the earth and the moon is approximately this much. They have given this number. So let's write. Let's copy the number as it is. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now this is equal to 384 into, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 6 zeros. So 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6. But is this the standard form? No. Why? Because it is still a bigger value. You have to reduce this value such that the first number is going to be from 1 to 10 only. So here 3.84 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 square. Why did I take 10 square? Because after 2 digits I am going to keep the point. So we are multiplying with 10 to the power 2. So 3.84 into 10 to the power 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is how much? 8. So 10 to the power 8 meters. Understood this? So the standard form of the given value, this is equal to 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meters. Understood this? Okay. Now let us do the second bit. The universe is estimated to be about these many years old. So let's copy the value which is given in the question. Now let us write 12 into, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 10 to the power 9. 10 to the power 9. Now, can we leave, is this the standard form? No. Why? Because 12 is greater than 10. So let us take 1.2. So how many digits are there after the point? There is only one number. So it is 10 to the power 1. So this is equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power 9 plus 1. So 1.2 into 10 to the power 10. Which formula did we use? A to the power m into a to the power n, which is equal to a to the power m plus n. Understood this? So these many years. So let's copy the value again. So this value, standard form for expressing this is 1.2 into 10 to the power 10 years. If you look at this number, it is difficult and it is not easily read out. It is difficult to read out and it is difficult to understand this. Whereas when you look at this exponential form, 1.2 into 10 to the power 10 years, you are able to understand and read it easily. So exponents are used to express large numbers in standard form so that it is easy for us to understand and read. Okay, copy this in your class workbooks, children. Okay, let us do the third bit. The distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be so many meters. So let's copy the question, the numerical value which is given in the question. So all the number we have copied, this is equal to, let us take the first number 3 into 10 to the power, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is 3 into 10 to the power 20 meters. Understood this? Is it in the standard form? Yes, very good. Why? Because here the first value which is there, this is between 1 and 10. So this is the standard form of expressing the given value. Now let us look at problem 4. Question number 4. The earth is approximately this many cubic kilometers of sea water. So let's copy the number which is given here. 5, 3, 1, 2. This much is given. So let us write this. So all the numbers once we are going to write 1353 into 10 to the power count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power 6. Is this the standard form? No. Very good. 1.353 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power. How much should I write here? 3. Why am I taking 3? Because after 3 digits you have kept a point. So here we are multiplying with 3 digits. So 1.353 into 10 to the power 6 plus 3. What is the formula that we are using here? A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So this is equal to 1.353 into 10 to the power 6 plus 3 is 9. So you got it as these many cubic kilometers. Cubic kilometers. What is the meaning of cube? 3 times. So, or you can write this as 1.353 into 10 to the power 9 kilometer cube. Okay, cubic kilometers, or you can write it as kilometer cube. Understood this? Copy in your class workbooks, children. Okay, children, with this we have completed chapter 11. Okay, already we have started with summative assessment 1 revision. Chapter 3 revision, I have given you the problems for practice. And now, yesterday you have learned the formulas, laws of exponents you have learned. Today I am going to send you 5 problems from chapter 5. Okay, practice those problems and see that you are practicing all the problems. We are just going to, I am giving some model. The models which are there in the full chapter I am giving. It doesn't mean that you are going to get the same problems in the exam. Okay, so practice the problems which are given to you and prepare well. See you in the next class, children.